How to backup WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can backup WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, launch the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Tap on the three dot icon in the top right. Head over to settings. Scroll down, tap on chats. Again, scroll down a bit and then tap on chat backup. So once you're here, you can find the Google Drive settings. If you can find it, tap on backup to Google Drive. After that, you have to tap on your Google account, choose your existing or add a new one if you want to add another one. And also you must allow WhatsApp access to your Google Drive. If you want to include videos, you could turn on the toggle. If you want to back up using your cellular data, you can turn on your data as well. Then tap on backup. So that's it. That's how you can store your backup or WhatsApp backup in Google Drive as a folder. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.